Hello friends, in this video you will learn about pattern searching program. Our task is given a text and a pattern, find whether the pattern exists in the text or not. If it is present, print found without quotes, else print not found without quotes. Input output, I will explain the example. This is the example. Input, first one is number of test cases, and every test case we take the two strings. First string is the text, second string is the pattern, and we need to find out this pattern in the text. See, geeks is the pattern. This is present in this geeks for geeks. So output is found. If the pattern is not present in the text, output is not found. So see, if the text is less than the pattern length, text length is less than the pattern length, then there is no chance to find the pattern in the text. So that time output is not found. If the pattern is less than the text, less than or equal, there may be chance to find the pattern in the text. See, first we are starting. See, take this text length is n and pattern length is m. Then starts the traveling in the text from beginning onwards, from 0. Then take the length of the substring which is equal to pattern geeks. Then compare the substring with the pattern. If it is matching, then print the found and break the loop. Otherwise, you need to move one step forward and take the length of the pattern once again. See, 5 characters. Then check with this pattern. If it is not found, continue. Up to we are moving n minus m. See, up to this G position. Then check this pattern is existed. Compare the substring with this pattern. If it is found, then print the found. Otherwise, print the not found. See, here is the implementation of our logic. First, for loop. Beginning, see, we need to know about the input also. This is strings s1, s2. Take those strings. Then the length of strings are n equal to s1 dot length, m equal to s2 dot length, I equal to 0. I moves up to less than or equal n minus m. See, we already discussed about one thing, that is, if n is less than m, then the time print the output not found, because there is no chance to find out the pattern in the text when n less than m, when text length is less than the pattern length. Else, if it is equal, then the time this is going to, this part will execute. First we need to find out, it is two chances is there, one is found or not found. For that reason we are using one variable c equal to 0. Initially that is not found by saying this c. If it is found, the c value became 1. Initially it is 0 because not found up to now. Then start the traveling in the text. Int I equal to 0, I less than, we move less than or equal to up to n minus m, I plus plus. Then use temporary string t to take the substring of text. S1 substring. To use this substring method or function, this header file is necessary. Then choose the length. I to m means up to pattern length from the I. Then compare with if condition, is t equal to S2. Substring is equal to S2 or not. If it is matched, then print the found with new line. Then the time C value become 1 and the breaks the for loop. If it is continuously going on up to n minus 1, then the loops out. If it is not matched, not found, then the time the C value is still 0. We need to print the not found with this condition. Then the time C out not found. This is the logic. Is this logic working or not? Check with compile text. See, geeks is present in the text. Geeks for geeks text. Geeks pattern. Then submit. Yes, correct answer with the execution time 0.01. Happy to see you. Thanks for watching.